go ahead. Yeah, for August the 25, first 70 motor vehicle permit check, 663 unit post check. Wow. What's your location now?
Military by the outlets J3L. Turn the vehicle off! Turn the vehicle off! Turn the vehicle off!
We're at J3L wholesale. We're stopped.
Get out, get out!
10-4, stop at J3L wholesale.
Get out the vehicle! Facing away
About 1
from
mile
me!
away.
Get out the vehicle! Facing away from me!
Hey, come around to my driver's side. He's not listening to me, so he's open.
9-3 units, I'm on military. I'm trying to get to you.
He looked at me. He looked a little coat too from there. You keep lethal. Grab this. Driver! Driver! Nope.
I'll take it off again, sir.
Going down the wrong way.
9-3, I copy. I'm coming up to there's a military.
Be careful. It's going head on with you. We're at military and Tony right now. Going down the wrong way.
10-4, I'm going to get out of the way. 35 coded. One on secondary, we're coming up on North Shore right now, speed 60. He's going wrong lane. Getting over to the right lane now. 23, are y'all in the wrong lane? 93, they're approaching military in Lincoln. I'm going to try to take from here. But when we're all in the right lane, still on military, passing Lincoln now. 23, 50, you can get up there and go in. Nice round by secondary behind 50. No traffic. We're approaching Wendy's. Big lot.
Hands! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Drop to the ground! Here. On the ground, you're gonna get dog bit. On the ground, you're gonna get dog bit. On the ground!
Get on the ground!
Hey, on the ground now! Get on the ground! Watch him! Get on the ground, I'm gonna sit my dog.
Get on the ground!
Hey, do it right now. Do it right now.
Stay pinned!
Again.
Just put me in Get on the ground! Hey, get on the ground!
Hey, dog bite!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground, you're gonna get dog bit!
I don't give a shit! Put me in cuffs! I'm taking him down.
Take him down.
I don't give a fuck! Get down! Put me down!
Watch out. Let me put him up. Load. Anyone else in the vehicle? Let's clear the vehicle. Clear the vehicle. (9-3) start next available for this vehicle. Hey, good job, Jesse. Hey, that's not bad at all. Good job.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Everything good.
Yeah.
But bro, get your legs up. Let's go. Whoever's car this is right here.
My car right here. All right, put his feet down. Turn him around. Okay. Stand up. You're getting in the car. You want to turn the AC on. Have a seat. Right here.
He got a wallet up. Hey, has he got a wallet on him?
McDorman? Okay. He just took off from us.
Sending body worn down in 30 seconds. Sending body worn down in 25 seconds. Sending body worn down in 20 seconds. Body worn down cancelled.
He got some pills there in the middle with his name on them. I couldn't smell any alcohol, but also he's got 2 loads of JPX in his face, so.
Yeah, well, before that, the first time he stopped, I could see his eyes were bloodshot red and glossy, but I couldn't smell anything.
Hey, let me tell you what though, security guy, he's holding it down over there.
Dude, I got some of that JPX in the face in case I couldn't tell. Well, I was about to throw my glasses down because he wasn't watching me. I was about to say, I'm coming up from behind, and then he was like, JPX.
The JPX, when it didn't work, I was like, fuck it, he's getting dog bit. But I was like, there's 5 of us here. It makes more sense to just go hands
I took
on.
off my glasses and I was about to tell y'all I'm about to come from behind.
Yeah.
And then he popped it. I was like, okay.
Well, he went good, but I did what they tell you not to do. I let go of the gas.
Oh, you didn't drive through it? That's really not bad.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna damage
I was getting you out of the way. No, I was about to tell y'all he didn't see me. I was just going to come up from behind and jump him. That's why I took my glasses off.
This is his stuff? Yeah, I guess this is his stuff. Hey, no. The only reason I didn't release for dog bites because there were enough of us to not do it. Dude, he was ready to fight, 100% ready to fight.
Well, again, that's why I was about to come
I couldn't tell you if he smelled like alcohol because all I could smell was the JPX. So.
He has a previous refusal to submit.
Like
back
DWI?
in 2020. No.
Oh, like
arrest.
refusal to submit to arrest. Dude, he was gonna fight us. I feel like he was. I think he realized when there were that many of us out.
He doesn't have that aggravated assault, submit arrest, sexual extortions.
Oh, nice. I'm gonna move my Tahoe out of the way. Yeah, 50's taking care of it already. Who's he need to send it to? Here's his wallet and phone. He was on the phone with somebody. $50's got him pulled up. Does he need to send it to one of y'all?
No warrant for warrant at this time. Negative, no warrant. Just filing. About 197 is the ER copy ending.
Go ahead.
34770. 34770.
10-4, 3770.
I-3 to 35. Myself and 50 checked. We're not seeing anything drugs or alcohol related in the vehicle. Oh, that's an antibiotic. And the pills he's got in there are amoxicillin. That's just an antibiotic. So.
Yeah. So just had a bad day.
I don't know what it was, man. But dude, I think there had been less of us. I think he'd have fought. As soon as I realized he was sitting there just tensed up, looking at me, I was like, "You're gonna get fucking dog bit, dude."
I guess he wasn't here for us.
No, I wonder if he saw it and just came down here being nosy.
Try to get. Well, there's no evidence to collect on nothing.
No.
That's the crazy part.
Yeah, dude, it's always those pursuits, man. It's like you just don't know. You don't know why they did what they did. Oh well, it's over now. Man, actually, it did less damage than I thought. I mean, the brick obviously was just masoned around it, but that pole's pretty solid. It's solid. It's solid steel.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, yeah.
Do it at.
And there's zero traffic on the roadway.
Yeah. What you need me to do now, Sarge?
We just gotta get the inventory on that. We'll get it towed. After he gets clear at the hospital, so we'll find out if he is intoxicated or anything. They can talk to them up there. Get the inventory done. We'll get that towed. Need to call the people at Military Plaza. Let them know. That's it.